Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Now, most of you guys who follow me know that I have a ton of electronics. Yes, many of these items were sent to me for review by different brands, but there are quite a few items that I have purchased myself, and these are things that I treasure. One of the issues that I know that a lot of my drone pilot friends out there are contending with is the fact that, if you're flying a DJI drone, there's no longer DJI coverage for those drones. What I'm talking about in this video doesn't necessarily just relate to drones, it relates to all electronics. There is a program on Amazon which is called the Complete Protection Program. You can subscribe to this. I have subscribed to this. It is basically $16.99 per month. And what it gives you is up to 90-day coverage from previous things that you purchased before you even signed up for the program. You also get drop, spill, crack for eligible devices. So you get a lot of different protection for these devices. So whether it's mechanical, electrical, power surges, any of those type of things, so your drops and spills, we know as drone pilots, there will be drops, there will be spills, there will be a lot of oopsie moments. So having a program, think about it like insurance, okay? So let's just call it insurance going forward. It is a type of insurance that will allow you to feel confident when you go out with your devices, even some of the smaller things that you guys might have. And you think, well, that's not really that expensive. Yes, these things all add up. One little spill with this, and maybe I'm going to spend, $100 to replace this or whatever the case is going to be. So it just really depends on, what is important to you. I think having insurance, that peace of mind, that if I go out on location, if I go out to do something recreationally, and if something was to happen, I would have some type of coverage that will protect me and help me either, get my device repaired or replaced, whichever the case may be. So keep that in mind. I'm going to add links at the bottom of the video where you guys can go over and take a look. I like it a lot. I think that this is a great idea for having some type of protection. And like I said before, guys, it offers a lot of protection for all of the things around your house. It could be furniture, appliances, sporting goods, kitchen appliances, outdoor things, electronics. All of those things are going to be covered. So definitely take a look at this. I think for a lot of you guys who are concerned, just like I am, this could be a game changer until things change. You know what I'm talking about. All right, so yeah, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will see you all in the next video. And still then, stay safe, peace, love y'all, but I'm out.